Hi, everyone. Is it good? Okay. Welcome, prospective parents, students, to the Olpana Open House. My name is Annie Rosenblum, and I'm a current grade 12 student here at Olpana. Before I get started, I just wanted to take a moment to thank Rabbi Grauer, Mrs. Fixler, and all the admin for asking me to speak. It's truly an honor. Grade 8 students, the time has come for you to make a decision, one that is definitely impactful to the growth of a teenager. You guys are deciding which high school to go to. Wow, time flies so fast. I feel like I was just sitting where you are right now, hearing the same words repeated to me. Now, I'm making very different decisions, like which seminary and university I'm going to go to, instead of me and my mom sitting in the high school open house. But I guess the question all of you have is, how did I get here? How did I decide to go to Olpana in particular? I truly feel that Olpana is the best place for me, and I do not regret my decision at all, because this school has given me so much. Here are just a few examples of what the school has to offer. Firstly, the religious identity of this school is so strong. Being an Orthodox school, every educator here values the importance of learning from Sfarim and applying their ancient lessons while engaging in modern society. The texts that bind generations together stay relevant until today. As well, Olpana highly emphasizes religious Zionism. We even have an exchange program with a school in Israel for grade 10 students. Before COVID, I had the wonderful opportunity of going on this program. Trust me, it was an experience I will never forget. We love Israel and we're proud of it. Olpana makes sure that Judaism and our homeland always go hand in hand. This ties into our programming throughout the year. Olpana makes sure to bring in all different aspects of Jewish living into its yearly events. We have Tishes on Friday to celebrate the upcoming Shabbos, and we even had our first one since COVID two Fridays ago. We have donuts on Rosh Chodesh. That's a really big deal here. We also have activities to promote Achdut, such as our Big Sister, Little Sister program, in which we pair younger students with older students to provide intergrade unity. In addition, we have events for parents and daughters, such as our Father-Daughter Learning and our Mother-Daughter Chesed evenings, as well as Grandparent Day, to touch upon how important family is in Judaism. And my personal favorite, Matmidot, an after-school learning program once a week led by Rabbi Kurtz. In grade 9, I began a learning program called 929, where you learn a parak of Tanakh every weekday for 3.5 years. I use Matmidot as an opportunity to learn, and this year, God willing, I'll be making a siyum on the whole Tanakh. Olpana encouraged me in supporting my learning, and I could not have gotten this far without the help of the incredible Judaic staffs. But even though we have big Yom Ha'atzmaut parties and go crazy when it comes to color war, Olpana is definitely not all fun and games. It is rigorous. There's so much value in the fact that this school makes sure to challenge their students at everyone's own pace. It's healthy to learn skills such as having work ethic and time management. It feels good to put in effort and reap the rewards. These skills are things that you will use for the rest of your lives. Talk to alumni. They always say that they have an easier time in university because of what Olpana taught them. It may seem like a lot of work at the moment. It definitely is for me, but I can honestly say that I'm so grateful for every time I was pushed to be better. Even though the academics can get challenging, I always know that there's someone I could turn to in this school for help. The teacher-student relationships here are beyond compare. All of the educators here and faculty in this amazing institution care about how you are doing. They are always here to help, even outside the classroom, with an open heart and an open mind. They want you to succeed. They realize when you're putting in your time and effort into something, and they appreciate it. And they want you to feel comfortable with talking to them about anything that is bothering you, academically or otherwise. Teachers even give up their lunch periods and time after class to help with schoolwork, application essays, career advice, or just plain life advice. But what to do besides academics? Look no further, because Olpana provides for its students a huge variety of clubs and extracurriculars. Every year, the Olpana Club Fair is held so students can sign up for whatever they choose. And if nothing piques their interest, they can even start a club of their own. There is truly something here for everyone. Looking for something to expand your knowledge in the sciences? You can be a part of our team for the Weizmann Institute Safe Cracking Competition, where you build a safe using the laws of physics. Are you athletic? Join our basketball or volleyball team, or sign up for a one-day soccer or tennis tournament. I had the privilege of playing on the Knights basketball team, where 2 years ago we made it to the championship game. We even got to travel to Cleveland for a basketball tournament. Want something to pique your creative interest? Be a part of the annual Bnei Akiva School's theater production, or or sign up to be a writer for the B'nai Akiva School's Headlines, our school newspaper, or join our choir. And these aren't even half the things our school has to offer. Trust me, Ulpana looks to expand on all aspects of who you are, not just your academic growth. As well, Ulpana students are well known to easily surpass their mandatory 40 community service hours you need to graduate high school. It might seem like an intimidating number, but no worries, volunteering comes so easy when you come to this school. Ulpana is affiliated with so many organizations like Friendship Circle, Chai Lifeline, KCC, Kayla Children's Center, B'nai Akiva, Yachad, just to name a few. A memorable chesed experience that I had took place when I was in grade 9. Ulpana partnered up with Chai Lifeline on a trip to the famous West Edmonton Mall. We stayed in Edmonton for 3 days while being paired with a Chai Lifeline little sister. I had the most amazing 3 days of my life, and I'm so grateful that Ulpana gave me the opportunity to join a program like this. By the time you're done Ulpana, you'll have a record number of volunteer hours, plus an impressive resume. Most importantly, experiences, bonds, and lessons to last a lifetime. So why come to Ulpana? Well, you will have a Jewish atmosphere filled with ruach, Torah, and achdut. You will be educated and challenged at whatever pace you are at for all your talents, hobbies, and pursuits. You'll create amazing friendships with your peers through the fun and educational experiences that Ulpana gives you. And you have a voice in the school. Teachers and admin hear you, and they want to help. For all these reasons and so many more, making the choice to come to Ulpana should be the easiest and best choice you make for the next 4 years of your life. Thank you. I'm now pleased